Can you tell me a little bit about your job, about your career?
My previous one.
Yes.
Okay. In the Philippines, I started as a supervisor in a mall. So I was selling bags, shoes, those ones. But when I came here, I was a purchasing. So I traveled from all the markets actually. I go to Gordon's Market, um, everywhere, Chinese shops. And then when I started in I started as a officer. I do the all the requests and the farm tour. I was the one who organized those ones. And later on, they moved me as a manager of sales. So yeah, it's a big opportunity to me also, and I'm thankful for that they trust me. So yeah.
Wow, amazing. Wow. And is there something that you like in your job?
Actually, this is my dream. I was dreaming, you know what, when I was young, I was dreaming of sitting in an office and typing in a keyboard. But then my family, my sister is a nurse. My brother, they're all medical. So they want me to have a medical course also. So first and second year, I was a radiology technology. Yes. So in my third year, I told them I don't want that. Actually, I don't want that. I'm scared of blood.
Wow.
So I told them, can I pursue my business management? And they don't want it. They don't want it because they want to be medical course. So I asked my husband if he can help me to pay my tuition. So yeah, he paid my tuition and I started business management. So yeah, that's the start. But yeah, I was dreaming of handling those keyboards.
So now you got it.
Now I'm sitting in an office.
Even though that everyone around you told you to be medical, you
Yeah.
said, no, I want to be.
Yes, actually.
Business, and you got it. Wow, amazing. So you're stubborn.
Yeah.
Wow, amazing.